Okay, so I did promise a little bit of an explanation on the PD dialysis and things involved with that. I am waiting for a secondary surgery because the first surgery that installed the PD catheter went very well and amazingly. Everything's working pretty much fine. I'm going in for a second surgery because it seems that there's a tear in my peritoneal cavity, which is causing the fluid that has to get pumped into me to go down to certain areas that don't need fluid in them. And I'm going for that. They should be calling me this Wednesday about the surgery to fix that so the PD catheter works properly. But on how the PD catheter works, once it's installed, to the best of my knowledge, from what I've been told, they basically pump a fluid into the cavity around the stomach, which is like this weird membrane that goes on the outside of the stomach, and within that membrane has some type of fluids that I guess normally use osmosis to pull toxins out of the body. Again, to the best of my knowledge, might not be totally accurate. But what they do is they pump fluid into this cavity, and it engorges the cavity with this fluid that then pulls all the toxins out. And then the same tube that I showed you in the last video is used to then drain the fluids using gravity with all of the toxins in them to remove the toxins from my system. Which is great, and it's easy on the body. It means a lot more work on my end, but it also at the same time means not having to go to the doctors 3 times a week. I would only have to go, they said 2 to 3 times a month, just to check my toxicity levels in my blood and make sure everything's working right. But I mean, we're working on it. It's weird. I don't really fully actually understand everything involved with it completely. Even through my research, I still seem to be lacking a bit of understanding, to the best of my knowledge. But yeah. So I guess what it really does is I pump the fluid into my belly through my tube, and it goes in, and then it just pulls the toxins out as the blood flows, I guess. And then at the end of it, I just dump it all out. I really feel like I could be doing a better explanation here, but I mean, I only understand it as best I can without having a biology degree. But anyway, yeah, so Wednesday they should be calling me for the surgery that should close off the tear so that the fluid does not migrate down towards my manly areas, which would definitely be problematic because it can cause ruptures in the veins and this, that, and the other, which would be painful and problematic. So yeah, I should know more about that by Wednesday of this week, and I will have another update. In the meantime, I'm just gonna keep going through my hemodialysis and keep having my blood cleaned out normally the way that they have been. and hope that it does not cause too much permanent stress on my cardiovascular system to prevent the surgery from happening. So we'll see how that goes.